I'm Jeff with Chandler Systems, and I'm here today to talk to you about the industry's only EPA registered and NSF approved sanitizer for water treatment equipment. This is the Sani-System, and we include one of these packets with every one of our softeners. It's recommended to run it through a system on initial startup or anytime you want to sanitize your system. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, just take the lid off of your brine tank. And if this is a new install, you'll want to put 4 gallons of water in there. If it's an existing system, you already have water in there. So just go ahead and remove the cap from your brine well. You're going to open this packet and just pour it down into the brine well so that it goes straight down into the water. Then we'll put the brine well cap and brine tank lid back on. And now we're just going to run the system through a cycle. So you can do this by either pressing regenerate now in the Legacy View app, or just press and hold set change until you see 4 zeros. Let go, and then press and hold set change again until it kicks into backwash. And from there you can either follow the normal startup procedure or just let it go through the cycle on its own. During the cycle, it'll draw all that sanitizer out, rinse the tank, and refill the brine tank and return to home on its own.